Hi everyone, and we're going to be playing darts, okay? Fine. We're me playing darts, okay? Okay. So I love playing darts, don't you? Yeah. So let's do one round of darts, okay? Okay. Okay, good. We're gonna play darts, alright? One round. Ready, set, go. Oh, let's count. 20, I got 20 and 13, alright? Let's count. 33, okay? I got 33 points, okay? Okay. So, I love playing darts. Alright. Let's do one more target. There we go. I'm hurt my finger a little bit. Yeah. I'll be right back. Let's go say hi to my 4-year-olds and dad. What up? Hi, Dad. Hi. Oh. Hi. Yeah. We can't record Lana. We can't record Lana. Nope. Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Yeah. We can't record him. Huh. So yeah. I know. It happens. Oh man. We're going to review the dishwasher, okay? I'll be right back. Okay? Okay.
Come on in.
Okay. Here's the dishwasher review, okay? Here's the dishwasher. It says Kenmore on it. It says Kenmore. And it has a cycles button. Some options button. Here's start button. And here's the cancel button, okay? Okay. Alright. Good job. So, we're going to play one more round of darts, okay? Alright, so one more round. Okay. Alright, let's live on in the garage. Okay. Ready? Here we go. 18. Oh. 12, right? 30 points, okay? 30 points, okay? Good job. So, give this video a thumbs up in the comments down below. Subscribe. Bye-bye, everybody. See you real soon. So long. Bye.